What's up, guys? It's Josh from Blackout Tinting. Behind me is my 944. You guys probably remember seeing this car. I did the sun visor clips on it. I'm pursuing a perfect daily driver car with this. I love driving this thing, and my goal is to make it as comfortable and as modern as possible over the next, I don't know, year. So one of those things is replacing the radio. So right now I do have an aftermarket radio in there, but it doesn't have a screen, it doesn't have navigation or anything. So I decided to replace it with the AVH 3500 NEX from Pioneer. And this is a flip screen unit, single DIN, because I didn't want to lose the pocket. So there's really no storage in this car. There's a very small center console here, but also the only other thing really is that pocket there. And I put my cell phone and my wallet and things in there. So I didn't want to do a double DIN, although you can do it if you remove the pocket. So this system should allow Android Auto to work and Apple CarPlay, but we don't care about that. That's for weirdos with Apple phones. And of course it's going to have Bluetooth and all that good stuff. I could add a backup camera to it if I'd like. It's got subwoofer outputs. So let me show you what that looks like. We bench tested it over here. Got it hooked up to a 12-volt source. We wanted to make sure that we could adjust the angle of the screen before we put it in, because the way that this thing is set up, it's got to come out at an angle or else the screen is going to hit the controls. So you can see we've already adjusted it. So in the car, it sits up at an angle like this, and we were able to adjust the screen so that it looks flat. So that's exciting. We'll get it installed and show you what it looks like. So we've removed the radio in the pocket, which literally just pull out. We do already have an aftermarket harness here, the adapter. So the factory plug right there. So we're just gonna reuse that same adapter with the new radio. That's cool. So I've got the radio installed in the car now, and you can see the angle on the flip up fits absolutely perfect. It looks really good. It works well. We've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto now, so we're sort of in the 21st century, which is cool. There is a USB plug. Normally, we'd run this somewhere a little bit more hidden than this, but there's really nowhere that's easy to access from here. So if we put it in the glove box, it's kind of annoying. I've had one there before. And I've also ran one inside of here, and it's not bad, but this isn't thick enough to fit a phone. So this is what we got. So yeah, I'm really super happy with it. I like the way it looks, like the way it works. Good upgrade for your 944.